Welcome back to Vintage Recipe Hero, where this week we're going to be reviving the Chicken Little Cake from the Betty Crocker collection. I'm so excited to make this cake. This is one of my bucket list cakes, I think. Maybe not this in particular, but you know the whole vintage making an animal, but I'm not a cake decorator cake? If you know what I mean, I hope you're also excited to learn how to make this cake, and it's super simple. You don't have to be a cake decorator, and you don't have to know how to bake a cake from scratch. We're going to be using box cake. All you have to do is collect the candy that you want to use and make the icing, which is a little bit like, I would say it's beginner level. Just be confident and be careful because hot sugar is really hot. Okay, let's make this cake. I'm so excited. Okay, it's time to try this cake. I did not cut off his head. I cut off his tail because, you know. And I'm really curious about this icing. I do stand by my decision not to ice in the middle because I have a feeling it's going to be really sweet. This is really fluffy. It's almost like a marshmallow icing. Let's try it with the cake, which is a box cake, but whatever. You know what? It's sweet, but it's not as cloyingly sweet as I thought it was going to be. Yeah, this icing is so nice and fluffy, and it's actually not too sweet considering it's made with sugar, corn syrup, and egg whites. How did your icing turn out? And did you ruin any utensils in the making? I hope you didn't burn yourself. You were careful, right? Anyways, I'll see you guys next week for another recipe back from the past. Bye!